Okay guys, so now we have our execution chart on the left and we have our 1 minute timing chart on the right. Make this back to a 3 minute chart, close to the edge again. Now again, we're looking for a reaction off of this line. Now the market profile community will be looking for a potential trade long at 53. So 53 is a potential long out of here. If it continues to drive, we could take a long sitting here at 54. So if we want to get long here, let's have a look at this. If we do this for this chart. There's the zone. If we break out through here, where's that? 58, yeah? We can front run that by trade 1. Trade 1 away and start her up. If that candle closes up, we'll be long crude. So this is how we can front run that time-based chart. If it goes long and breaks out here, we can catch it early. We can be in the market early. If it reverses and pushes back down to the VWAP and trades through it, we'll take it short. So technically we're bracketing it with an auto trader. We're bracketing the market with an auto trader sitting here. So there's the long. Are we going to get a push through this zone here? Now the first one comes off at 4, and then you can tighten your risk on the second. It may well stall because we've just broken out of this 15 tick box. So we'll see what happens. Let's see if it materializes. So remember, this is a counter trend trade at the moment, so we're counter trend trading. I want to see it break this little zone here. What I'm looking for here is a break of this little box. If we break this box, it's a valid trade. Again, there is always risk associated with it. You could bring your risk in now if you wanted to 47. Let's see if we get any follow through here. I'm looking at the numbers above to see if we get any follow through here. Again, it's not gone above 58 yet. We've got our first target off at 60. So this may well fail and reverse on us. Now, if we wanted to, we could reverse this trade and take it short. Or you could just tighten up your risk to 5 ticks. So I'll leave it running for a minute. So we could take one of the risks off now, a $10 loss on one, and you could tighten up your risk on the other one. It's a 50-50 at the moment. I want to see it break through here. If it breaks through this box, it's a valid trade. If it doesn't, we'll tighten up the risk. In fact, we'll only give it 5 ticks. We'll tighten up the risk completely. So again, there's no follow through on this long. Yeah, we've got into the market at the right position. That's fine. We got into where we anticipated we'd be in. There's no follow through at the moment. We've tightened up the risk. The thing with tightening up your risk on crude, you get flashed around quite easily. We could get flashed out in a second now. We get one large block order will take these both of these stops instantly. But again, we're not losing a fortune on the trade if it comes against us. If it breaks out from this box, I'll widen the stops out and see if we can track it. So I'm going to just do this. Take the first target up to 65, 66, 64, 1 tick inside the top of the IB. So we're looking for a breakout of this box. If this box breaks, there'll be another input of volume, and it should get to these two lines. It should get to the initial balance of 64, 65. Okay, there's 120, so we'll take some off now. Take one off, and then want to break even. So it's a free trade at the moment, yeah? We've got 140 profit in this trade at the minute. We can take some more profit now. Now, with Chart Trader and Ninja, you can actually drag the stop up behind it like this. Stop. Beautiful. So we've got one off for, I think, $60, and we've got another 60 sitting there. And again, that's our resistance, guys. If it breaks through that, there's another trade sitting there, but we're $100 in profit now. There's another trade sitting here, discretionary scaling in at 65, 66. So we're out for our profit. That was a nice trade the way we took it. We sat on it and moved the stops aggressively to lock in profit. I think that was good for, yeah, 130. So it's 13 ticks, guys. Nice little break trade. We called it through here, took it up to here, bounced off resistance where it's testing now. It may well test through here and push through here, so the discretionary long sitting here at the moment is at 66 for us. So a nice trade. That's the type of trades we do every day. 130 profit on that one, yeah. Now what I'm going to do is pause it for now because I don't want to take another trade immediately. I'm going to start looking at the market again. So the beauty of this is if we stop trading, we should pause it. So you'll see paused in the screen, and I'm also going to turn single trade logic on. So when that's highlighted, we'll get single trade logic sitting here. We need one tick of movement to show it.